little tutorial. Okay, for some reason I've tried recording this like 3 times, but I didn't record the actual audio thing, so that would definitely not be helpful in a tutorial when you're trying to do something, especially for audio. So anyway, yeah, let's just get this head with. I was asked, hey, how do you do this one effect with your voice? And I was like, okay, I'm just gonna quickly do this. So 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, the other 6 snakes slid down. Okay. Not entirely sure if I recorded that properly. So I'm just gonna get this and all that stuff real quick. I don't know, let's just sound. 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, the other 6 snakes slid down. Yeah, I was very close to my microphone. You just, I don't know, I do not, for some reason yeah, recording stuff makes it to where you're like, oh my gosh, it has to be perfect. So, yeah. Anyways, so what I did was reverb all these settings, then that. 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, the other 6 snakes slid down. So already you get that kind of effect. That's what I figured it was reverb, but I couldn't remember. Then I was messing around a little bit earlier and, you know, trying to figure out how I had originally done that. And I believe it was a high pass filter. Then you just do that and 6 slick snakes. Yeah. And then you just do that a couple more times. High pass filter. Then effect and a high pass filter again. Just 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, and the other 6 snakes slid down. And I guess if you want to, you could do a little bit of distortion. Six slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, and the other 6 snakes slid down. That's a little bit too much distortion, but you probably get the point. I don't know, let's see if I can make distortion sound good. Or distortion never really sounds good, but yeah. 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, and the other 6 snakes slid down. Yeah, that still sounded disgusting. So yeah. 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, and the other 6 snakes slid down. I guess if you wanted, you could high pass filter again. 6 slick snakes slid up the slippery slide, and the other 6 snakes slid down. Yeah, that's pretty much all you have to do. It's a pretty easy thing. I kind of made it too complicated whenever I was trying to explain it on text, so I was like, I'm just gonna record a quick video to explain what I'm talking about. So yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Bye.